Over 95% of car owners don't know these cleaning hacks actually work, and some of these simple tricks can save you hundreds of dollars at detailing shops and car cleaning centers. Not only that, one of these hacks can even help prevent expensive repairs that mechanics quietly profit from every single month. Before you spend another dollar on expensive products, watch this carefully, because today we're revealing 15 genius car cleaning hacks that sound fake, but actually work. And trust me, the number one trick could completely change the way your car drives and feels. Let's begin. Hack number 15, clay bar. Paint cleaning, no matter how many times you wash your car, the paint still feels rough. That's because normal washing cannot remove embedded contamination. Things like brake dust, tree sap, road grime, and industrial fallout stay stuck inside the paint. Here's the trick. Buy a clay bar kit from any auto parts store. Spray lubricant on the paint and gently glide the clay bar across the surface. You'll literally feel the contamination being pulled out. Within minutes, the paint becomes smooth like glass. Professional detailers do this before every polish job, but they charge hundreds for something that costs only a few dollars. Hack number 14, alcohol windshield. Cleaning your windshield looks clean during the day, but at night, headlights create haze and glare. That's usually caused by oily residue and silicone buildup. Take 70% isopropyl alcohol and apply it to a microfiber cloth. Wipe the windshield slowly in straight lines. The alcohol cuts through grease instantly and leaves 0 streaks behind. Your glass becomes crystal clear in under 5 minutes. And the best part? Rain repellent products work much better afterward. Hack number 13, baby wipes for window seals. If black streaks keep appearing on your windows, dirty window seals are usually the reason. Most drivers never clean them. Grab a baby wipe and slide it through the rubber seal around the window. You'll pull out years of dust and grime. Then roll the window up and down while wiping. The black streaks disappear instantly. And clean seals also last much longer. Hack number 12, coconut oil for trim and paint faded. Black trim can make an entire car look old. But expensive trim restoration products are not always necessary. Take a tiny amount of coconut oil on a microfiber cloth. Rub it gently over black plastic trim and faded rubber. Then buff it dry. The trim immediately becomes darker and richer. It also adds shine and water resistance. Some people even use small amounts on leather seats and vinyl surfaces. Hack number 11, shampoo carpet deep. Clean dirty carpets trap smells that air fresheners can't hide. Instead of paying for expensive interior detailing, try this. Mix warm water with a small amount of hair shampoo. Spray it lightly onto the carpet, then scrub using a stiff brush. Finally, blot the area with a dry towel. The shampoo breaks down dirt and oil deep inside the fibers. For extra odor removal, add a few drops of white vinegar. Your carpet looks brighter and smells fresh again. If you're enjoying these hacks so far, hit the like button and subscribe, because simple car tricks like these can save you serious money over time. Now let's continue. Hack number 10. Toothpaste for minor glass. Scuffs. Small windshield scuffs can reflect sunlight and distract you while driving. But you don't always need expensive glass polishing. Apply plain white toothpaste onto a damp cloth. Rub the scuffed area in small, circular motions. The mild abrasives inside toothpaste gently polish the glass, then wipe clean. Minor marks become far less visible. This trick also works surprisingly well on mirrors and plastic headlights. Hack number 9. Vaseline tire. Shine-dry brown tires can ruin the appearance of a clean car. Instead of buying expensive tire shine products, use a small amount of petroleum jelly. Apply it evenly across the tire sidewall using a cloth. It restores deep black color and adds a clean shine. It also helps slow down drying and cracking. Unlike some cheap tire sprays, it doesn't sling everywhere while driving. Hack number 8. Coca-Cola Rust Removal Surface. Rust spreads fast if ignored, But here's a surprising trick. Pour Coca-Cola onto the rusty area and let it sit for a few minutes. The phosphoric acid helps loosen rust buildup. Then, scrub gently with aluminum foil or a brush. Rinse and dry completely. For better protection afterward, spray a little WD-40 over the cleaned metal. This simple trick can slow rust before it becomes a major repair. Hack number 7. WD-40 Sticker Removal. Old stickers and adhesive residue look terrible on glass and paint. Here's the easy fix. Spray WD-40 directly onto the sticker. Wait about 1 minute, then slowly peel it off. Use a microfiber cloth to wipe away leftover adhesive. The residue disappears without damaging the paint. This same trick also works on tar spots and bug splatter. Hack number 6. Lemon headlight. Cleaning cloudy headlights reduce visibility at night, and replacement kits can be expensive. Cut a lemon in half. Dip it into baking soda. Then scrub the headlight lens in circular motions. The lemon helps break down oxidation while the baking soda lightly polishes the surface. Rinse with water and dry. Your headlights immediately look clearer and brighter. Hack number 5. Coffee filters. For dashboard cleaning paper towels leave lint everywhere, but coffee filters are different. They're soft, lint-free, and perfect for dashboards. Slightly dampen a coffee filter and wipe the dashboard slowly. Dust and fingerprints disappear without streaks. This also works great on screens and instrument clusters. Hack number 4. Newspaper windshield. Polish. The inside of your windshield slowly develops oily haze from plastic fumes inside the cabin. That haze becomes dangerous during night driving. Spray glass cleaner onto the windshield. Then, wipe it using crumpled newspaper. Newspaper fibers polish the glass without leaving lint behind. The result is crystal clear glass with almost zero streaking. Hack number 3. Foam cleaner for AC vents. If your AC smells musty every time you turn it on, bacteria and moisture are usually trapped inside the vents. Buy a foam AC vent cleaner. Spray short bursts into each vent. Then turn the AC on full blast for a few minutes. The foam loosens dirt and removes odor-causing buildup. The entire cabin smells cleaner almost immediately. Hack number 2. Shoe polish on tire. Sidewalls faded tire lettering, and sidewalls can make even expensive cars look neglected. Take black shoe polish and apply it evenly across the tire. Buff lightly afterward. The tire instantly looks darker and cleaner, and unlike oily tire gels, shoe polish stays on much longer. Hack number 1. Cleaning the throttle body. This is the most important trick on the list. If your car feels sluggish, idles rough, or hesitates while accelerating, a dirty throttle body may be the reason. Locate the throttle body near the air intake. With the engine off, spray a small amount of WD-40 onto a cloth and wipe away carbon buildup around the throttle plate. Then, restart the engine. In many cases, idle quality improves almost immediately. A dirty throttle body also hurts fuel economy, so cleaning it occasionally can actually save money at the pump, and mechanics often charge a lot for this simple service. So, how many of these hacks did you already know? Comment below which trick surprised you the most. And if this video helped you save money, subscribe for more car tips, mechanic secrets, and smart automotive hacks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.